Inverter technology, most people have it, nothing new. 10-year compressor warranty, again, nothing new, available. But these are customer wants, these are customer requirements. Largest freezer space, a big customer requirement. Largest dry storage space, another big customer requirement. The dry storage space is the OPT we have commonly called the onion potato tray. And a large vegetables tray. This is irrespective of whether the customer is a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. 95% of the customers we visited, this was the most critical requirement. The customer said that is what we want, and which is not available in all. And finally, our patented duo flow technology, which has made this product possible. A product so different, so unique, patented, both in technology and design, that I can assure you, gentlemen, it will change the face of how we look at a single-door direct cool refrigerator. This is a revolutionary product, so without wasting any more time, I would like to unveil the product for you. Introducing India's first single-door refrigerator with a separate vegetable drawer. This is the first time it has happened, not just in India. I'm stating it, this is a world-beating technology. Product AV, please.